We've talked about adaptability for culture and the Gen Z and looking for a lot of influence on culture, the willingness to actually want to be a leader. What I want to know now is look around and turn 180 degrees. And you as a CHRO, some of the top challenges that you have in your position, being able to be adaptable and looking for cultural differences, age differences, desirability to progress differences in your career. How does that, having that knowledge and making that a priority, how does that help solve some of the challenges for you as a CHRO?
It's a great question. Reflecting on the past experiences and understanding the needs of talent better. So I think the value is really paying attention and dissecting your engagement survey results. A lot of companies do engagement surveys, but to what extent do they really dissect? It's different between, do I check the pulse? Is it an X-ray? Or do I want to do an MRI on my engagement survey? There's a lot of information there. One of the things that we did is we decided to cater to the Gen Z, the newer workforce, and how we're going to work in the future, especially with all AI conversations. How are we becoming more and more digital in our HR offerings? So as an HR function, are our tools digital? Are we using the ERP platform the company has? Are we providing a one-stop shop access? Can you do things on your mobile phone while you're in the field? Because if you have a field workforce, they don't really have a computer in front of them. So how are you generating things through apps? So there's a technology element that's really going to help you if you can leverage that. I think the other piece is mentoring. I've been here 3 years. We put a lot of effort in building our HR infrastructure. We just completed the first year of our mentoring program and really centered around our values framework and how we show up in our jobs reflecting the values. So that's the role of the mentor-mentee to discuss that and to identify opportunities where you can do a better job, because culture is a differentiator for us from our growth strategy standpoint. But what we're doing going to round two, given the demographic of workforce, is to have some of the executive team, what really boomers mentor Gen Z type profiles. So who are the up and coming, ready to be a manager, but they're an individual contributor, they're a post-millennial, they're Gen Z. Let's provide them a mentoring opportunity so that we can better understand them. We have more direct communication with them, make it comfortable for them to engage with us, and then look at, okay, what does this mean if we were to cater our needs and to be more efficient and effective with a Gen Z population? So those are kinds of things that we are trying. How do we make sure that we are very diverse in our mentoring approach, our engagement, and obviously from a tool standpoint, and the tools allow two-way communication.